Okay, let's try this. We got ourselves a new drone, and it's a DJI Mini 3 Pro. I have never flown a drone before. I've never owned a drone. The sales guy at Best Buy said this is the one to have, and that it's great for beginners. I think we'll be able to get figuring out how everything works. I watched a couple of videos online. It'll take a little while to get the hang of everything. By the end of the day, I was doing pretty good, but I'll forget half of it by the time we take it out for the first run. Figuring out how to make it follow me. It was going off to the side a little bit, but it was extremely windy out. And I have since found that there's a setting to stop it from flying to the side like that. Practice, practice, practice. Hopefully, if I learn it right out here at the farm in the field, I won't lose it out in the forest somewhere. That's my hope. Now that I got some of it figured out, I'll take it off-roading with us the next time out. Hopefully we'll get some better action shots this way. It is a fun drone. I would recommend it for anybody. I should say any adult. Even though this is not the most beautiful time of year, the shots it takes are awesome. And we'll get better at this as the years go on.